Hey everybody, so today I got one of these Fiskars weed pullers. So you'll pop this over the weed and this will close up over it. You use this to kind of give it a little bit of leverage to pull it. Then you got your eject where you can easily take it off. So if we go ahead and try it out on a couple of these weeds, so like this one here, and then you could just use this to lever it up, easily pull it up, super easy. Get one of these larger ones here. And it just makes pulling these so much easier, especially these large ones. And it just makes it so much easier. You don't have to bend over. Look how easy that is. And then eject it. If you're looking for a weed puller where you don't have to bend over, and it will also handle large weeds, definitely take a look into the Fiskars. It works great.